Is your company using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations? Do you have a dedicated maintenance team taking care of your valuable assets? Imagine that you're a maintenance manager, and you have to manage your spare part inventory in a system that's not integrated with your Microsoft ERP. Your system tells you that you should buy a $10 spare part. You send that to purchasing, they go into the ERP, they call the vendor, and they find out that now the part actually costs $12. And then when you receive it in the inventory, there's actually a $5 freight charge on it. Well, now your standalone asset management system is telling you that the part costs $10, but it actually costs $17. So now what? Some companies do double entry. Review the cost, make it right in the standalone system, but it's quite complex and it's going to take a lot of time and cause a lot of issues. With a built-in system like Microsoft Asset Management in Finance and Operations, these kind of problems just disappear because everything is happening in one system. Dynaway is the team that developed and sold Microsoft Asset Management to Microsoft in 2018. If you have any questions, considerations, or challenges related to Microsoft Asset Management, our experts are here to help you. We offer Microsoft Asset Management consulting and add-ons, like our mobile client and a planning board for drag and drop scheduling of work orders. You can find a link to both our services and our products related to Microsoft Asset Management next to this video.